Fáilte Stack, you're very welcome to Suantraí Íosa, where we look at the readings for tomorrow, in this case, Monday the 2nd of December. And the first reading is taken from the Old Testament prophets. Now, there's going to be a fair deal of stress on the beautiful prophecies in Isaiah and the other Old Testament prophecies that lead us to put our hopes in Jesus as our Messiah. I invite you to find something in the readings every day, something beautiful, and to hold on to it, and to make it a reflection for your day. So we're talking about the vision that Isaiah had, that in the days to come, people will be drawn to Jerusalem. They won't be forced. They will say, "Come, let us go up to the mountain of the Lord, to the temple of the God of Jacob, that he may teach us his ways, so that we may walk in his paths." And out of this will come an ending of conflict. They will hammer their swords into plowshares, their spears into sickles. Nation will not lift up sword against nation, and there will be no more training for war. There will be an end to conflict between people and internally in us. And Psalm 122, praying for peace. For love of my brethren and friends, I say, peace upon you. For the love of the house of the Lord, I will ask for your good. Isn't that beautiful? That even if you just take that as your prayer for tomorrow, tomorrow I will go around asking God to bless others, not myself, but I will go around asking God to bless others. I will give life again to the old way of speaking in Irish, going into a house Dion Stock. Follow year and over when you meet people working, the blessing of God on your work. God and Mary with you when you meet someone on the road. Now, you don't have to do it out loud if you don't want to, but bless everyone you meet tomorrow. And then the gospel. Jesus encounters in Capernaum the centurion and his servant who's lying at home, paralyzed. And he expresses the ultimate in faith to Jesus, that all Jesus has to do is give the instruction and his servant will be healed. And again, we turn to the Lord with the same faith and we say, Lord, bless these people. And all you have to do is send your blessing and all will be well. And all manner of things will be well. So tomorrow, I'll spend my day blessing the people I meet. With thoughts such as these, let us go to our beds, and let us pray that we shall indeed awaken in the morning with the praise of God on our hearts and on our lips. Agus gamana dia illa cógtach shiv, ahar mach agus spirit nave. Amen. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.